So over here you can see that I have some clips right here on the timeline right here, and then sometimes you may not know where those video clips are located over here on the media pool. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply right click on a clip right here just like this, and then click on find in media pool, and then that clip will be displayed out as you can see right here. So that clip is highlighted over here just like this. So if I were to go around onto the edit mode right here, you can go around, right click and find on media pool right here, and that particular media will be highlighted. So if I were to go around and let's say for example click and drag out this very video clip right here, and let me just navigate away onto master, and I can go around and right click and click on find in media pool, and I can see that that clip is highlighted just like that. And that is how you can go around and locate out different clips that may be there on your timeline, and it makes it much easier to manage out different medias while you're editing. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.